Well, today's the day. I get to finally do something I've never done before. All right, the machine I'm using today is called, it's a shockwave. So we're gonna provide a huge shockwave to these trees and then try to shake all the nuts out, the trees onto the ground. And hopefully they'll all be on the ground and should look just like this. Get her started. Whenever I'm doing this, I'm always going backwards. How this works is what I'm going to do is I have to get this pad right here doesn't move, but this one does right here. It slides in and out, and I got to get this one as close to this side as possible. And then once I have it centered in the pads, I'm going to squeeze it, and just before it starts shaking, I'm going to mash the throttle, full throttle, and then you're going to see the tree is going to just instantly start shaking violently, but not so violently that it just falls apart. All year preparing these trees for the harvest so that I can produce almonds and hopefully pay for all my bills and make a little bit of profit. But we'll see this year. It's been quite a learning experience. And so if you look at these trees, these are all almond trees, and they all look roughly the same, but I have 3 different varieties in this field. The first variety that I'm going to be shaking is these right here, these ones right here. These are called nonpareils. The next ones I'll be shaking is this tree, and then that tree. I'll shake those at the same time, so I'll have 2 different harvests in this same field, so I have to do this all over again. All right, here we go. Pull it back. you up for a time lapse, but that's basically it. Open it up, bag it up. Look where I'm going, kinda. Up a little bit. This one's got to be tricky because the tree is leaning really, really bad. Let's see how this goes. I'll set you out there to see what that looks like. Well, that was a tricky one. Shook okay. There weren't a lot of nuts in that tree. Shook this little one, did good. So I'll set you up and get you on a little time lapse here. Hey, thanks for watching this part of harvesting almonds. The next part is going to be dusty and dirty. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss it. First we're shaking. See you on the next part. Have a good one.